This Cadillac XT5 started to smell a little funky inside, so now it's a good time to replace a cabin air filter. Don't get discouraged by complication of doing it yourself, because it's easy, takes about 2 minutes, and the filter costs under 20 bucks. First, open up the glove box compartment, and on your right hand side you will see this string looking thing, which prevents the door from dropping and instead gradually lowers it down. So you need to remove it just for now. Pull on the string just a little bit, move it to the right side, and then let it go. Now with your two hands, squeeze both sides of the door at the same time, and the door should drop all the way down. From here you can see a cover for the filter, which is held by one Torx screw. So the only tool for this job, you will need a T20 screwdriver. I don't know why GM couldn't use a regular screw, but this is what you will need, T20 screwdriver. Remove the screw, but be careful not to drop it down, because most likely you would not be able to fish it out if you drop it. Now release the clip on the right side of the cover. And then kind of wiggle out the left side of the cover. From here you can see the filter with the number you need to replace it with, and for your convenience I've included the link underneath this video. Now get the brand new filter and put it in its place. Just make sure that airflow air is facing down. Put the left side of the cover in first and snap the right side in its place. Secure the cover with a screw, but again make sure you don't drop it by accident. Now you need to find that string that you released from the right side. Grab it with your right hand, pull it down, and swing it to the right just a little bit. With your left hand, lift up the door about halfway up until it snaps in its place. Insert the string on the right side in a hole provided and let it go. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and also hit the like button. Thank you.